Ever wondered how to process extensive audio libraries efficiently? Pondered over the best way to analyze, tag, and organize your audio files? Or perhaps you're intrigued by the possibility of enhancing your audio with next-gen AI features? Well, the solution is here with Chosen Master's new app, BAP, the Batch Audio Processor. Harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and next-generation digital signal processing, BAP is an innovative tool designed to process extensive audio libraries of any size. No audio file is too big or too small for BAP. It all starts with detailed analysis. Each audio file you feed into BAP undergoes a thorough examination. It's like a health checkup for your audio. What follows next is a process of tagging and organizing. BAP meticulously tags each audio file by key, BPM, RMS, and other crucial metadata. Imagine having a personal librarian for your audio files. The ease of navigation and accessibility that comes with this feature is truly unparalleled. But the magic doesn't stop there. BAP also caters to the creative minds who need more than just organization. If you need your audio sliced into loops, BAP has got you covered. With beat length controls, you can customize your loops to your heart's content. It's like having a tailor for your audio, providing you with the perfect fit every time. And let's not forget about the AI-powered features. Noise detection and reduction are at your fingertips, ensuring your audio is as clean and crisp as it can be. Add to this the RMS normalization controls and you've got yourself the finest quality audio. It's like having a professional audio engineer in your pocket. In essence, BAP is more than just an app. It's your personal audio assistant. It's designed to streamline and enhance your audio processing tasks, leaving you with more time to focus on what you do best, creating incredible soundscapes. In conclusion, BAP is the world's most powerful batch audio processor. It's not just about efficiency, it's about revolutionizing the way you handle your audio. So why settle for less when you can have the best with Chosen Master's BAP? Try it today and experience the future of audio processing.